guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and this is Nam. And today we have to prep our van up just because we are going to be getting new rims and tires.
Yeah, the ones that came on this van, they're not really all that great. Plus they're only 16-inch rims and we want something a little bit bigger, so we're going for some 17-inch rims, the Black Rhino Arsenal in matte black. I know a lot of people have them, but I think that's probably one of the best looking rims to go on this kind of van. So we're getting that, and we're wrapping those in some 265/70 17s, the BF Goodrich KO2, the off-road tires. So it's been delivered. We have our appointment set for tomorrow, but before we do that, we may have a minor rubbing issue, and those are about the biggest tires we can go right now and not have a lift kit put on and not have rubbing issues. I know we can go a little bit bigger. A lot of people are doing 275s, but for our looks, the way what we're going for the van right now today, we're going to stick with the 265s. But the one thing we got to do, we have to remove the mud flap. There's a relocation kit that they sell, and some sell kits for like 80-90 bucks where you have to go in and you have to trim the metal off the actual van right here at the fender. I don't know if you can see this area. And you'd have to actually cut into the metal, prep it from keeping it from rusting, and then that relocates the actual factory one, I believe, and I could be wrong, back a few inches to give you a little bit more clearance for that tire to turn. But it's a lot of work, but there are companies that sell just for a little bit more, for around $200. The actual mud flap, I believe, that's set back, so you don't have to actually cut into the van. And for another $100, I mean, might as well just do that if we instead. But for today, since we don't have it here yet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the mud flap. They can install the wheels and tires tomorrow, and we can still drive this vehicle around without any issues. So, you ready?
Yeah, of course. So you only need two tools to remove the mud flaps. All you need is a 10mm socket and a T20 driver. So let's get started.
Okay, to start this, to make things easier, so what you do is you'll turn the wheel to one side to make it a lot easier to get your tools in and access the two bolts here. And then you do the same exact thing to the other side. So when you go to the other side, you'll turn the wheel the other direction. So let me go ahead and do that real quick.
So now we have access to the bolts. So there's actually 4 bolts. With the light, you can see a lot better.
Yeah, so there's actually one more in here that we didn't catch.
All right, let me do a close-up to show you guys where the bolts are. So there's 1, 2, 1 there, 3, and right under here is another one. I think you guys can see it, 4. Right? So with the light, obviously we can see a lot better, so I would really recommend you guys to shine a light in there.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna get started. These look the easiest, so I'm just gonna start from there. This one first. One. 2. And then I'm gonna get this one.
That one. I'm just trying to get your hand in there.
Okay.
Go ahead.
got the last one off. And now I'm just gonna pull this off.
Drop it down. That's it.
Quick and simple and dirty.
Got to wear gloves.
Yeah.
So now the mud flap has been removed, and
there will be no rubbing issues whatsoever. Let's just put these aside.
yeah, we'll just put those away, and
now we're just gonna go and do the other side. So he's repositioning the van so that I have space on the other side to remove the mud flap. Okay.
so what we're doing is we're turning the wheel and positioning it properly to get to the bolts on this side. Alright.
So now this is exposed. Guys, put your bolts somewhere where you won't lose them. Alright guys, now we're gonna do this side. I am actually going to do this bottom one first just because I didn't like it. So it's in here. Bolt number 1. Now we're gonna get in here. Maybe wear some gloves. I typically would wear gloves, but oh well. Number 2. Okay, and these are the easier ones. Number 3. And this one. Last one. Number 4. And now let's just pull this up. And just like that, guys, I have removed our mud flaps. Look how dirty my hands are.
Yeah, should have worn gloves.
It's okay. Let's go wash them. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us work on the adventure van, of course. Stay tuned for our next video. We will be installing our new rims and tires, so I'm so excited for that. They're gonna look so freaking good.
Yeah, I can't wait, because these wheels just don't have the right look for the van.
Right, and it should be a little bit higher up, right? Like
a little bit. The tires are a little bit bigger in
Yeah.
diameter, so it will lift it a hair.
Mm-hmm.
But the offset of the rims are, I think they're 38 millimeter offset, so it's supposed to push the rims out.
Right.
And kind of just fill that gap a little bit and going out, so giving it a wider stance,
Like a beefier.
and yeah, just giving it a more of a rugged look.
Right. I'm so excited.
Me too. I can't wait till tomorrow.
I know. Alright guys, well please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.